You are pulling away from a stop sign and your automatic transmission violently slams into the next gear, shaking your entire vehicle, or maybe it slips so badly that the engine just screams while you barely inch forward. This heart-stopping scenario is exactly what you experience when your scanner pulls code P2725, indicating an electrical malfunction with transmission pressure control solenoid E. Modern automatic transmissions are absolute hydraulic masterpieces, but they are completely at the mercy of electronic controls. Your powertrain control module uses a small army of these pressure control solenoids, usually labeled a through E or higher, to direct highly pressurized transmission fluid to very specific clutch packs and bands. This precise fluid routing is what actually changes the gears as you accelerate down the road. When the computer detects that the electrical circuit for solenoid E is failing, it throws this code and immediately puts your transmission into limp mode to prevent the internal clutches from burning up and sending metal shavings everywhere. Before you panic and assume you are going to be paying for a complete transmission rebuild, you need to open the hood and check your transmission fluid. Pull the dipstick and wipe it on a clean white paper towel. If the fluid is dark black, smells heavily like burnt toast, or is full of metallic glitter, your internal friction elements are already taking damage, and a clogged internal filter might be starving the pump of fluid. If the fluid is a beautiful bright cherry red, your problem is almost certainly electrical. Transmission wiring harnesses live in an incredibly brutal environment underneath the car, where extreme heat and road debris constantly attack the plastic insulation. Look very closely for any wires that have chafed through and are shorting out against the metal transmission case, or for main junction connectors that are loose or corroded. You will need to perform a continuity check on that solenoid circuit using a digital volt-ohm meter, looking for a perfect 0 ohms of resistance. Always make sure you completely disconnect the battery power before testing circuit resistance, because sending voltage from your multimeter back into a live circuit can instantly fry your expensive engine computer. Finding a simple broken ground wire is always a massive relief compared to pulling the entire transmission out of the vehicle.